Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Super Drag Drop feature in Microsoft Edge, a stable version on Windows 11 or 10. In case you use Edge browser on your PC for browsing or downloading purposes and you want to enable or disable Super Drag Drop feature, then you can use registry method to enable or disable the same. So let me start and without any delay. First click on this one start button. Then here type registry. Then in the search results click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts press yes on pop-up window. Here you need to copy and paste this one path and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the edge key on the left sidebar of the registry editor. On the right sidebar, you will find Super Drag Drop enabled. This one raise dword. In case you don't find it, right click on this one press space on the right side of this one edge key and here select new and then dword 32-bit value option and name it as Super Drag Drop enabled. You can find all these details on this one video description. After doing this, double click on this one Super Drag Drop enabled raise dword. And here you need to set value 1 to enable this feature and you can set value 0 to disable this feature. After that click on this one OK button, then click on this start button and search for Edge. Click on this one Microsoft Edge entry to open this one in your PC and then type Edge colon this one Edge colon slash slash flags and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open Edge flags on your PC. Here search for drag drop and then you will find here Microsoft Edge Super Drag Drop. You will see here by default in the drop down menu default option is selected. Select enabled to enable this feature or disabled to disable this feature. Just select enabled and then click on this one restart button to reopen this one browser. Then click on this one settings and more button on the right sidebar. Then select here settings. In the left sidebar, click on this one appearance. On the right, scroll down and find customize browser section. Here you will find super drag drop. Here you will see a toggle switch that name is enable super drag drop. Just enable this one option to enable this feature and to disable this feature just toggle off this one toggle switch. After that, whenever you will open a browser, open any web browser or sorry, any website and you want to open any link in a new tab, simply select and drag on the same window. It will open the link in the new tab and you can also if you want you can if you want to search any text just select it and drag it on the same window anywhere. It will search in a new tab on your default search engine that is set on your Edge browser. Like this, you can use this one super duper feature of the Edge browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.